What's up, YouTube? We're with another random video. Today, I'm going to be showing you where hobos hang out. Right now, we're in the ditch. And my friend back here. He's just hanging out over here. Okay, let's start going. This is gonna be our second time looking at this hobo place where hobos hang out. Cause last time we were going to Craig Ranch Park and we passed by and we saw it. And my friend's YouTuber name is Carson Gonzalez. One of his videos are called Minecraft Survival Let's Play #1. Oh damn, my shoes wet. What the hell was that?
I don't know.
Take a step on. Yeah, it's kind of the same way like the tree tracks. It is kind of weird. For me, I don't know about you guys, but I think it's weird. That wall says fuck the Saints. What the? Oh, my bad. Sorry about the cussing. What the heck was that?
Sewage pipe.
The train! It was so loud. So guys, that was the train. Pretty cool. I wish that came in my last video. Okay, gotta run up. If I yell too much, I'm sorry. If I yell too loud, I'm sorry. I didn't even get the clouds.
Oh, look at this.
Hey! What? What the? That is weird. I see a cart. I see a cart, Carson.
I thought that was 2 people.
A shopping cart. Yeah, me too. I thought it was like a person. I was like, I was supposed to be like, Carson, this person. Oh, whoa. I think there is a person.
Yeah, I left my flashlight, man.
You left your flashlight?
I think I left my flashlight.
At home?
I don't know, probably.
He's so dumb. Yeah, so guys, I think there's a hobo. Yeah, there's a hobo over there.
Alright.
There's a flashlight. See? I'm seeing what happens if I
No, don't
stay.
break it. It's a good stick.
Yeah, guys.
Hey, it's a good thing that we're wearing a mask so they can't see us.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys. I'm just get away from my friend. I'm not even grabbing it.
There it is. Got it. Forever. Hey, dude, let's pass by.
Where the tree? Hey, Ricky, Carson! Carson, there's some more tree tracks. Ricky, up there?
Yeah, I know.
Hey, I want to go up there really quick.
Why?
You go up there and go down.
We viewed them in the last video.
So? I already did train tracks. Stepped on my shoe.
Paintball?
No. I believe you just asked me a question.
So? You should have said yes. You should at least say I play paintball. Paintball.
No, he has. Do you play paintball? And I said no. Or
He said do you guys play paintball?
I don't know what he said.
I heard him well. He said, do you guys play paintball?
Dude, look right there. There's a searchlight over there.
Yeah, so guys, well, there's like a searchlight over there. So guys, that was a hobo that just talked to us.
I wonder how they find all their stuff.
You just find it randomly. I think they steal. Come on, dude. We should hurry up. I gotta wrap
Walk up
this.
the side.
I gotta wrap this video up. Dude, my mask, it makes this kind of noise when I breathe in and I breathe out. So guys, I think this is, actually guys, this is a little bit far from our house. See, I got stitches because of this fence. I'm not jumping over this. I'm not jumping over that.
Are you gonna jump over it? Or
I'm not. I'm gonna jump over this.
Okay.
Oh, my leg.
Hey, dude. Alejandro.
What?
Barbed wire.
I know, Bob.
Look at that.
The moon is over here now.
Full moon?
Nope. Right there. Down there is. Oh, the hobo place. Come on, dude. What are you doing?
I'm just sitting right here because I want. There's another hobo place somewhere. Because.
Now, who cares? Okay. Come on.
Dude,
What are you doing?
I can't hop this fence
You
because my
can't
leg
hop
still hurts. Ah. My leg still hurts. I can't bend it that much.
You're gonna have to walk down there. I can get up and down. Come on. Here.
Nah, dude, it's fine. How did my leg even start hurting in the first place? This is
You have to
horrible.
use this. Okay, old man.
Oh man, I can't put pressure on it though.
Do you have to use this cane, old man?
It's not a cane.
Do you have to use this stick that looks like a cane, old man?
It's not a cane. It doesn't even look like a cane.
It looks like a bow and arrow. Seriously, look at that. It's like a bow and arrow. You shoot from right here. Pew.
Can't bend my leg. My leg is that good.
Okay, I should start heading over there because. Come on, dude, you just gonna sit there with that? What the hell? Wasting my time.
Oh, I'm wasting your time now.
Yeah,
You sure do it to me every day.
yeah, so. Just seem like
so
you
it's
care.
just your time.
Yeah, just seem like you care. Yeah,
I'm gonna waste your time.
yeah, okay. Yeah,
Okay, I'm glad we came across an agreement.
yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna have to end this video from right now. My friend's being a wuss. Okay, see you.